If you're watching this video, you're probably wondering, how do I make a successful email campaign? Maybe you're a returning subscriber, or you just subscribed, or you subscribe right now. A video a day keeps the doctor away. Welcome to the daily uploads land. We had a video on Friday about should you start a business. Then we had a video about Grant Cardone, about offshore companies, about how to make a business plan. Also, we had a video about gambling addiction and how you can overcome that as an issue. The topic of the day is how to make a successful email marketing campaign. First, let's get rid of some myths there are around the email marketing space. One of them is buy databases. For GDPR, the new regulations we have since May, or wherever you live in the European Union or the United States, prevent you from buying databases and sending emails to people who do not want to receive them. So this is not a good strategy. But what some people do is they go on, let me fire up Fiverr right now. What some people do is they go on Fiverr and they type in email database. And what they do is they go through these people. I don't want to be racist, and I'm not a racist, but they're from India mostly, and they scrape the internet for emails around a certain niche. What will happen normally if you do that? You get scammed. First of all, they will include a lot of government emails and whatever emails from the countries you select, but not all of the emails you get will be niched. Second of all, you get so many bad emails that when you use a service provider like MailChimp, Aweber, SendPost, Benchmark, which I will include some of them in the comment section, in the description down below. When you use one of those providers, you will get flagged or banned really quickly because your domain will go blacklisted. So you don't want to do that. You don't want to get in the blacklisted email. You don't want to get blacklisted by those websites and with an option to never come back. This is not what you want to do. You want to have actual customers that sign into your website via sign-up form. How do you do that? So you go on MailChimp.com, you register an account, and you make a sign-up form. If you don't want to go to MailChimp, go to another provider like Benchmark. What I gotta warn you though is before you choose an email provider, Google at the current moment which email providers have the lowest spam inbox input. So if you're sending out emails and they go in the spam inbox, basically you're just wasting your money and time, because to make a creative email you will spend a lot of time. There are some things you shouldn't use when you're writing an email for your email marketing campaign. First up, cheap, buy, offer might trigger the spam folder. Also keep in mind that the subject line should be straight to the point, and you can use some cool emojis. Something that a lot of people do, which is not really a good idea, is to add a lot of images. Because what happens is those images get disabled and you just see some broken image links as a recipient. So you don't want to do that. You want to have a little bit of text depending on what kind of connection you have with your customers. Maybe give some free tips. This is something that we'll cover in another video. Tunnels, maybe give 5, for example, if you're selling a makeup product. For example, the first 5 emails you sent and you get a sign up form on email. For example, Niki at google.com. Okay, so this email, gmail.com, Niki at gmail.com. So the first few you can email him if you're selling something around makeup is 5 tips to get better makeup. Second is 5 great lighting to get better makeup. Then the third one can be something free, and 5th email you can sell, you can pitch on the 5th email. This is called a funnel, email funnel. You give a few tips and then you sell. You build that relation, then you sell. This can be automated. For each sign up, It starts with, for example, first day he receives this, second day he receives that, or every 2 days, whatever you choose. Also, something important is to note which country or time zone is the user in. If you're sending emails mid throughout his sleep, throughout the client's sleep, some other people might send emails after you, and then the inbox will be so full that he only see the recent ones. You want to send emails when the user is free, lunchtime, right after work, right when he's starting waking up, going to the toilet and checking his emails. This is a good time to send your emails. So what you should include? There's some artwork you should prepare before sending out your first email campaign. Maybe we'll do a test. If you guys want to do that, please comment in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure I do that in one of the following videos. Also, I'll include some links to some books or booklets or websites that I found some value in the description down below. Some artwork that you should prepare before you start your email campaign is your logo. You gotta get the logo. If you don't know where to get a logo, Fiverr is a great place to do that. Just go on Fiverr, logo design, and you get some offers starting from 15 bucks, 20 bucks, 10 bucks. I don't think you should spend more than 10 bucks on a logo. Everything above that is kind of a lot. But when you pick a logo, oh, I really like this guy, by the way, but this is a lot. This is 75 bucks. I really like his style. I'm not promoting anything, okay? I'm not in affiliation with any of these artists. I do get a commission if you sign up through my Fiverr link of the deposited amount, but I don't care about who you choose. But I do use Fiverr for a lot of things. It's really good to outsource your work. When you choose a logo, this is one of the first things you should choose. You should also get the right links and the right tracking for your links. A good idea to have is creating a Facebook page for your website and creating a Facebook pixel. What the Facebook pixel does, it tracks all the users that come on your websites and their behavior. Do they go on and add items to their cart? Did they add items, abandon the cart? Did they add items, purchase? Did they add an item, purchase, then upsell something else? Everything, all of this is user behavior. And based on that user behavior, you can either sell a person something specific, upsell them, or you can retarget them with more ads. So this is the foundation you should have on your website, no matter what marketing you choose to approach. So you get a Facebook page, you get a Facebook pixel. This is very important. When you have the pixel installed in the Facebook page, the people that come to you through your campaign, you can make ads to your engaged shoppers on Facebook. And if you want to see that, this is obviously a topic of another video, please comment in the comment section down below and I'll know that you want to see that. This is the second foundations you should have. Artwork, logo, Facebook pixel. This is very important. And third, Google Analytics. You want to track the performance of your emails. Otherwise, you don't know what works and what doesn't. You want to know that. This is important for your business. Some say that 33% of their traffic on their websites comes from email marketing. And email marketing is actual customers. You have people that are familiar with your website, people that are educated in your niche in most of the times. And referral and email marketing does wonders in conversions. Conversions is the amount of people or the percentage of people who went on your website and actually bought something. So if you want me to explain something else on email marketing, or you want to see the next video, make sure you subscribe on this channel. Make sure you give us a like, because that really helps me and this video to be out for more people. If you found it helpful, also give me some tips in the comment section down below, because I really appreciate the feedback you guys give me. Thanks for everything and see you in the next one. A video a day keeps the doctor away. Bye.